Are you a driver in Ontario and shocked by how expensive car insurance is? You're not alone. But don't worry, today I'm sharing the best ways to lower your rates and the top insurance companies for new drivers. Whether you just got your G2 or you're upgrading to your full G, understanding how insurance works can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why new driver insurance is so high. Insurance companies see new drivers as high risk because they have less experience. The more experienced and safe you are, the lower your rate gets over time. Now let's talk about how to bring those costs down. Here are my top tips. If possible, add yourself as a secondary driver on a parent's policy instead of getting your own. This can significantly lower your costs. Sports cars and luxury vehicles, super expensive to insure. Instead, go for a safe, reliable car. A dash cam can help prove you're not at fault in an accident, and some insurers offer discounts for having one. Speeding tickets? They instantly raise your rates. Drive safe, and you'll keep your costs low. If you complete an MTO-approved driving course from MTO-approved driving school like Growing Star Driving School, you can get up to a 30% discount on insurance. Totally worth it. Here are some of the best insurance companies for new drivers in Ontario. CLA Insurance offers great discounts for safe drivers. Desjardins Insurance competitive rates for students. Bel Air Direct gives discounts for good grades. Sonnet Insurance, quick online quotes with flexible plans. Make sure to shop around and compare quotes before picking a policy. One of the fastest ways to lower your insurance? Get your full G license. G2, license =, higher rates, still considered a beginner. G license =, lower rates, more experience, lower risk. If you're eligible, book your G test as soon as possible. The sooner you get it, the sooner your rates drop. So there you have it. Ways to save money on car insurance as a new driver in Ontario. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more driving tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.